Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So ngayon may panibago pong tayong video na ipapakita ko sa inyo guys, no? May panibago po akong tutorial na video guys. So sa video ito guys, paano ba tayo tayo mag-create ng account sa BPI through online. So kung kayo po is nasa malayong lugar guys, sa mga branch ng BPI, tapos gusto niyo mag-create ng account sa BPI, maggawa tayo ng account sa BPI guys, para may BPI account tayo. So ngayon ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano, no. So kasi hindi tayo makapunta sa branch para magkuha ng account sa BPI. So ngayon, unang gagawin nyo guys, dapat may internet connection kayo na malakas. Tapos download lang nyo ito sa Play Store guys, itong BPI apps. So ayan, so sa akin na-download ko na, so registered na natin, no. Gawa na tayo ng account sa BPI. So ngayon guys, click natin ang BPI application. So allow lang natin yan guys, no. Allow lang natin yan. So create your account. So since wala pa tayong account sa BPI guys, at hindi tayo makapunta sa branch ng BPI kasi nga tinatamad ako pumunta, so ngayon dito lang tayo sa application online tayo mag-create ng account guys sa BPI. So create new account. So ayan, yes, register to app, open deposit account. Yes, to register app, open deposit account. Tapos continue lang nyo, click ang continue. Tapos open your account now. So get started, choose a product, provide personal information. Number 2, verify identity, scan your government issued ID, passport, driver license, etc. Part 3, create account, provide work details, review. So click natin ang continue. Tapos before we send, so are you Filipino citizen, at least 18 years old, permanent address in Philippines? So yes. Tapos confirm. So do you have your ID with you? So driver license, national ID, passport, postal ID. So driver license tayo guys. Tapos continue. Dito guys, BPI save. So minimum balance to earn interest 0, maintaining balance, so requirements, so 0. Okay, so napakaganda guys kasi wala silang maintaining balance. Tapos click nyo ang continue. So ayan, tapos guys, I agree ang condition na save terms and condition, definition of terms. So basahin lang nyo yan guys, no, mga terms and condition. So sa atin na natin yan basahin kasi napakarami yan. So click natin ay agree, tapos continue. Tapos privacy important, click nyo yan, i-check, tapos continue. Tapos ilagay na nyo ang email address nyo guys. Tapos dito 8 minus 2 is 6. So ayan, tapos next, click nyo ang next, verify your email address. So okay, send it. So verify natin ang verification. Tapos guys, confirm, click natin confirm. Your BPI code has been verified. So yun, lagay natin number natin, cellphone number, no. What is your mobile number? Pagkatapos guys, click nyo ang next. Tapos verify your number. So click. So ayan, so ngayon dito na tayo guys. What is your name? So first name, lagay lang natin ang first name. Tapos middle name, lagay lang natin. Last name, lagay lang natin dyan, no. So optional, maiden name, mother's maiden name. So ayan, tapos continue, click natin continue. So when is your birthday? So date of birth 09. Country of birth, city of birth. So ilagay lang nyo ang complete details nyo dyan guys, no. Complete details. So, continue. Click natin continue. So, ayan, part 1 done. Next will verify your identification. So, verify identification. Click yan. Tapos, driver's license. Click natin ang driver's license. Confirm. So, ngayon guys, start verification. Use valid government issued IC. Do not take picture in dark. Remove anything that will cover your face. Wear a proper clothing. So, click natin ang start. Using your app. Click. So, captured front of your ID. So, capture natin yung driver's license ID natin guys. So ngayon guys, dito na naman tayo sa face verification, no? Face verification, start. Let's take closer. So upload successful. Pagkatapos guys, hintayin natin. Hintayin natin, oh. So, ayan, check your identity. Make sure it's same birthday as your your ID. So, yan. So, yun. Tapos, confirm natin. Click. Continue without your middle name. Middle name field can leave blank in screen your continue. So, yes, I continue without your middle name. Yes, I'm sure. Click yan. So, nakalagay dito guys. Yes, part 2 done. Now, we need to some additional information while waiting your verification to be completed in the background. So, add your details. Click yan. What's your gender? Siyempre, lalaki tayo. Click natin ang male. Confirm and continue. What are your marital status? Click natin ang single. Tapos, confirm and continue. So, what's your address? Country, Philippines. Municipality, Davao del Norte. Ayan, click yan. Tapos dito guys, source of income, employer name. So ayan, job title. Ilagay lang nyo ang tell us about your work. Ilagay lang nyo dyan guys, no? Pagkatapos na napila pa nyo ang tell us about your work, click nyo confirm and continue. So yan, you're almost there. Time to review application and create your BPI account. So ayan, review application, click yan. So pag na-review na nyo guys, click nyo ang confirm. So ayan, create your online banking account. So dito guys, sa online banking account, so set up your username and password for your BPI account. So username at saka password. So dito, lagay lang natin. Mag-create tayo ng ating create your online banking account para mayroon mga online banking tayo, no, sa online. So ngayon guys, find your new account. So ayun guys, found your new account. Now you have successful open a deposit account. Your account number, so yan yung account number natin. So log in. So ayun guys, so actually so meron na tayong BPI account guys. So sa wakas meron na tayong BPI account. So yon, found your new account. Now you have successfully opened a deposit account. Your account number is, so ayan, so click natin how to find your account. So click natin ang login, try natin i-login yung account natin, tapos click natin ang login. So username, lagay natin username dyan guys. So ayan, lagay na natin yung username natin, tapos password, tapos click natin ang login. Pagka-click ng login guys, so begin, register your device. This is needed for your security and convenience. Doing so will also allow you to turn on mobile key so you can authorize with PIN code of your biometric. So begin, click natin ang begin. So proceed with your device registration through. So magti-text po ng number guys. So click natin ang continue. So ayan, we receive your BPI Save Up Online Banking. Tapos proceed with your device registration. Select option SIM registered mobile number. You need to send your SIM's number to continue. So click natin ang continue. So ito, this is your mobile number to register your device. To need to send your SIM's BPI registered mobile number on this device. So yes, this is my number. So click natin yan. Tapos let's verify your device. Tapos click natin ang send SIM's. To click natin ang allow BPI to send and review SIMs. Click natin ang allow. Your device does not support SIMs messaging. Oy, wait lang guys. Kasi nga hindi nakasaksak yung SIM card natin dito sa cellphone natin guys. Ang yung SIM card is nasa isa kong cellphone, nakasaksak yung SIM card. So ayun guys, success guys no. Success, your device is registered. Please activate your mobile key switch. All will allow you to approve transaction and request with just a PIN code or biometric. Activate mobile key, click yan. So ayan. Okay, click nyo na rin. One 670 38 670 38. Tapos click confirm. Your one-time PIN has been verified. So ayan. Do you want to use biometric? Don't use biometric. So click natin don't use. So ayan guys, meron na tayong BPI online banking account. So ayan yung BPI natin. So ayan, available balance 0. Si buying is $. So yun lang po. Maggawa ng mag-create ng BPI account guys. So dito lang po nagtatapos itong video guys. Sana may natutunan naman kayo how to create BPI account. At dito natatapos ang video. Thank you for watching guys. Napakadali lang po mag-create ng BPI account guys no. So ito mayroon na tayong BPI account. Ito lang po ang gagawin natin guys, how to create BPI account gamit ang online application ng po apps. Thank you for watching.